What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today with a very exciting video for you guys. And as you know, I'm usually deep into reviewing tech, gadgets, apps, but coffee is one of my favorite morning rituals. Every morning I prepare a hot cup of coffee before I sit down and get to work on editing or shooting B-roll, whatever I'm doing, editing articles on the Sammy Guru website. And so when Meraki reached out and asked me to review their espresso maker, I kind of paused because I've never really reviewed one, but I was so excited because coffee is such a big part of my life. And in today's video, we are going to do my very first espresso machine review. This is the Meraki Espresso Machine. And this isn't just a basic espresso machine. This is basically a prosumer level espresso machine that brings all of the great features that you would get at a higher priced espresso machine into your home, and you don't have to feel like you need to go to a professional barista school to use it. This is gonna be a really fun review, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Meraki calls this an all-in-one coffee system that integrates precision grinding, intelligent extraction, and seamless frothing, all engineered for performance and simplicity. And that's what we're going to test in the video today. First, let's give a little background on Meraki if you don't know much about the brand. Meraki is a brand built around the idea of combining engineering and coffee culture. They launched this machine on Kickstarter, raised over $2 million so far, and now they're pushing into the direct-to-consumer space with a premium, pro-level espresso system for the home. Their promise here is simple. You're going to get pro-level performance, but a machine that is compact enough and accessible enough to use that you can actually put it in your home and use it on a daily basis. Taking the Meraki Espresso machine out of the box, it feels incredibly premium, and first impressions do matter to me, and I was very impressed with the build quality of this machine. It feels heavy, solid, very purpose-built. What really stands out is the modern minimalist design. It doesn't scream industrial cafe machine, it looks like something that actually belongs in a high-end kitchen or a home coffee corner. This is one of those rare products where the form and the function actually fit together, which is something that I love in the tech space, now bringing that over into my life in the kitchen with my espresso machine. One of the biggest selling points of this espresso machine is that it's an all-in-one system. You don't need any extra coffee or espresso gear to get started and enjoy your hobby. Everything is built right in for you. You get a Time War and Meraki co-engineered grinder, intelligent extraction, a dual boiler system with dual PID control, and smart milk frothing that works incredibly well. That means that grinding, brewing, and frothing all happen in one system that's designed to work together seamlessly right there on your kitchen countertop. For someone like me who enjoys coffee but also wants to get going quickly in the morning and not have 5 to 7 different coffee accessories scattered about my kitchen counter, this is absolutely perfect. It's a huge time saver, and also it takes some of the stress out of preparing your favorite hot morning beverage. Now let's talk about some of the pro-level performance features you get here, because Meraki did not skimp out, and this thing is seriously impressive. The machine uses a commercial-grade rotary pump. That's the kind of pump you usually see in cafe machines, not home setups. What that gives you is stable pressure, quieter optimization, and much more consistent extraction. Then there's the dual boiler with dual PID control. This basically means your brew water and your steam are independently temperature controlled, so there's no compromises, no waiting, and no guessing. Honestly, these pro features put the Meraki Espresso machine in a completely different class than most consumer machines. And Meraki also gives you amazing control over how you prepare your coffee or espresso. You have manual and auto control, so there's a lot of flexibility. If you're new to espresso, you can rely on auto mode with embedded scales. It literally handles dosing, timing, and consistency for you. But if you want control, you can still get it. Manual tuning is there for dialing in shots like a real home barista. This makes it incredibly friendly for advanced users in the hobby, but also still being very accessible for beginners who are just getting into the hobby and want to kind of grow their love for coffee and espresso. The milk frothing and drink preparation system is also incredibly smart with the Meraki Espresso machine. It has a milk frothing sensor and smart auto mode, so you get silky foam without babysitting it. This is where the cafe feeling really kicks in. Espresso, cappuccinos, lattes, it just feels professional. And again, as someone who really enjoys coffee but isn't a trained barista or works at a coffee shop myself, this can be really empowering to be able to prepare your own favorite drinks inside your own kitchen or coffee corner. The Meraki Espresso machine has become a part of my daily life. Morning coffee, late night edits, meetings, hosting friends, this machine becomes part of your rhythm no matter what you're doing. And honestly, the value here is kind of wild. Cafe coffee is what, $5 a cup? Here you're making cafe quality drinks at home for about $1 a shot. 2 coffees a day, and this machine will pay for itself in absolutely no time. So who is this machine really for? Well, first of all, it's not just for coffee enthusiasts or hardcore coffee nerds at all. This is for anybody who enjoys a hot coffee or espresso or cappuccino in the morning. It's equally for home coffee lovers, high quality workspaces or business office, boutique hospitality setups, anyone who wants real espresso without daily cafe trips. I honestly didn't expect my first espresso machine review to be this exciting. Obviously, I really love coffee, so I did really enjoy it. Plus, now I have this amazing machine sitting on my kitchen countertop where I can prepare my favorite hot drinks anytime I want, which I really appreciate Meraki for sending this out for review and for sponsoring this video. This machine really feels like the ultimate upgrade if you want a beautiful machine that fits nicely on your kitchen countertop, has the automatic kind of, just get it done and get your hot cup in the morning feature set with pro level features, but you can also take manual control if you have time and want to do that, then this is the perfect machine for you, and it's priced way below other prosumer espresso setups. If you want to check it out, I'll have the link below to the Meraki Espresso Machine where you can purchase also any relevant deals or discount codes that are running right now. I really do think it's a great value. We've enjoyed having it, and we can't wait to continue enjoying these drinks. If you guys have any questions about it, tell me about it. I don't know much about whether you guys like coffee because we're usually talking about tech. Let me know what your favorite drink is. We can chop it up down in the comments. I can answer any questions about tech specs or how we've used it if you want as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Smells phenomenal in the morning.